When I saw the new Crafty Crew Kit from Crafty Stamp Co., I knew that I was going to have a blast with it. So I want to invite you to join me this week each day as I create projects and share fun techniques using this new kit. But today I want to go ahead and unbox the kit and show you everything that is in it. And we'll also stamp out a few of the images, that way you can get a better look at what the stamps look like. This kit is available now through June 15th, and it's available for pre-order only. It will no longer be available after June 15th. Some of the kits do come back in stock about a year later, but there's no guarantee that it will be back. Also, if you decide to order the kit, I would really love if you use my affiliate link. It really helps out my channel, but it also lets Crafty Stamp Co. know where you found the kit. So the Crafty Crew Kit comes in this mesh zipper bag. And in the kit, you're going to have first you're going to find these cards. The first one here is the Sketch Challenge card. And this one, I received the June one. You'll probably receive the July one. I'm not sure which one you will receive. Since this kit releases in July, I feel like you'll get the July one. But it will have all the information on the back of the card on how you can enter the challenge to win a gift certificate to Crafty Stamp Co. And then you'll also receive these recipe cards, and they're using Copic colors and helping you with color blends to color in your stamps. I'm going to set this aside and I'll show you that in a few minutes. So in this kit, you're going to receive 2 stamp sets. So this is the first stamp set. This is the Flutterbys and Blooms stamp set. It's a 4x6 stamp set, and this one has all different little butterflies in it, as well as a couple of flowers. Now, butterflies are like my favorite thing, so I actually requested that they have a kit with butterflies, and I am so pleased with the designs that Christine came up with. So hopefully you can see here, I'm trying to put it on a white background so you can kind of see the stamps, but we'll stamp out some of these butterflies in a little bit. And throughout the week, if you join me each day, you'll get to see more and more of these stamps. So the second stamp set is called Wings and Wishes, and this one was one I definitely requested as well. I wanted a little meadow girl, but with butterfly wings, and so this one is adorable. I absolutely love it. She could be a butterfly girl, and she can also be a fairy, whichever you want to make her, and she is so much fun to color in. So let me move Luffy out of the way. He always gets excited when I'm opening packages. He gets excited over everything. He's very nosy. And then you get this gorgeous paper pack. This paper pack has prints that look like alcohol inks, but also there are some rainbow butterfly prints as well. So you'll also get this plastic sleeve to store your paper pack in. So I'm just going to quickly flip through the prints. And once again, I'll have a day this week that I will play with these prints so you'll get a closer look at them as well. So this is the fronts of them, and then I'll flip it over. So the fronts have more of your rainbow butterfly prints on those, and then the backs will be the alcohol inks. But look how gorgeous this paper is. Especially if you love butterflies, you're going to love this kit. But look at these alcohol ink prints. I have never played with alcohol inks, so I have no idea how hard they are, but these prints make it so easy that you can have alcohol ink prints and not even have to do that process. And they're absolutely gorgeous. I love all the colors in this kit. So you'll get this 6x6 paper pack. And this pink here, I'm trying to find it. I really love the look of that pink. So I will be playing with these papers this week as well. So look how beautiful that is. So I always just set aside the plastic that the paper came in, and I immediately put mine into the plastic sleeve that you receive. So any paper packs that you order from Crafty Stamp Co., you'll receive this plastic sleeve, and it is awesome to store your paper in, but also to store the paper scraps in from this paper. And then the last thing in the kit is the stencil, and this is a beautiful stencil. I have some fun projects using it this week as well. If you are at least a 3-month subscriber to the Crafty Crew Kit, you will receive these flowers. You'll receive a bundle of pink and a bundle of white. And all 3-month subscribers to the Crafty Crew Kit each month receive an extra little item. So I showed it last because I wanted to show you what's in the kit if you just order the kit. Now this month there is an add-on that you can purchase. You don't have to purchase this to play with the kit, but this is an add-on, and it is butterfly dies. So I was excited to see that Crafty Stamp Co. is now offering dies. And they do have another die in the shop already. But this is the butterfly die, and it's an add-on die to the kit if you want to purchase it. So when the kits come like this, I just like to take my pliers and hold onto that little circle, and then we're going to bend back and forth. Some of them you have to clip. At first I thought this one you may have to clip, but that little circle, if you just bend it back and forth, it's going to release your butterflies. And what I like to do is make sure that I keep up with all these little metal pieces that I'm breaking off so that my animals don't get don't eat them. But yeah, I like to use my pliers just to hold onto that little circle so I don't hurt my fingers, and then I'm just going to twist back and forth. And that's how you release these. You don't have to cut them like you do with some. That little dot there, just hold onto it and twist, and it will come loose from your dies. So I like to go ahead and separate all of my dies before I get started using them. And so these are some really cute butterfly dies. They are very elegant looking to me, so I think you can make some elegant cards with them as well. And I will be using some of the dies throughout this week as well. So I just want to lay these out on the paper and show you what they look like. And so that is what they look like for now, but we will cut those out later in the week. Okay, so I'm just going to stamp the butterfly Meadow, little butterfly Meadow, I guess is what you call her, because we call all of the little girls Meadow. So I'm going to stamp her out so you can see. And this is the first stamping with her, and she stamped out really easily. So like before I use my stamps, I do take my fingers and rub over it just to remove any oils from the manufacturing process. And then I stamp it. And so you can see here, she's very easy to stamp, and normally I struggle with larger stamps, but with this one I had no trouble. I do stamp it a few times just to get a crisp image. And look at her, how beautiful she is. Now here is a quick stamping of the butterflies as well. This is just a sampling of the butterflies that's in the stamp sets. And you can see here, they stamp very easily as well. Well, I hope that you will join me this week as I play with this kit, and I'll show you different techniques and projects that you can create using it. This kit is available now through June 15th. So it's only offered on pre-order, so be sure to get your kit before the pre-order ends. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.